6 best ways to lose belly fat for women at home. Too much fat around your waistline does not only affect your confidence, but it also has negative effects on your health. Yes, losing your belly fat can be a challenging endeavor if you don't know how to do it right. So, in this video, we will discuss 6 of the best ways that you can shed your extra belly fat right from the comfort of your home. 1. Avoid consuming too much sugar. Added sugar is never healthy and has adverse effects on your metabolic health. When you consume a lot of sugar, whether through the food you eat or the sweetened beverages you drink, your liver becomes overloaded with fructose, and it is forced to transform that into fat. According to the 2009 study published in the Journal of Clinical Investigation, entitled Consuming Fructose-Sweetened, Not Glucose-Sweetened Beverages Increases Visceral Adiposity and Lipids and Decreases Insulin Sensitivity in Overweight Obese Humans, excess sugar can lead to greater accumulation of fat in the abdomen. Meanwhile, the 2001 study entitled Relation Between Consumption of Sugar-Sweetened Drinks and Childhood Obesity, a prospective observational analysis, found that sugar-sweetened drinks are associated with up to 60% higher risk of obesity in children. With this, it is highly recommended to reduce your sugar intake and turn to healthier options instead. 2. Consume more protein. A longer-term approach to shedding unwanted belly fat is by consuming more protein. According to a 2005 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition entitled, A High-Protein Diet Induces Sustained Reductions in Appetite, Ad Libitum Caloric Intake, and Body Weight despite compensatory changes in diurnal plasma leptin and ghrelin concentrations, protein can minimize cravings by 60% and improve metabolism. Besides removing your excess fat, it can also prevent you from regaining weight. With this, it is important to make an effort to increase your protein intake by eating whole eggs, fish, meat, seafood, dairy products, legumes, whole grains, and nuts. 3. Cut down the refined carbs in your diet. In a 2007 study, entitled The Effects of a Low-Carbohydrate Ketogenic Diet and Low-Fat Diet on Mood, Hunger, and Other Reported Symptoms, it was found that people who restrict their intake of carbohydrates have lower appetite and tend to lose weight faster. Moreover, low-carb diets result in fast reduction in water weight and target belly fat around the liver and other organs. It is recommended to minimize your consumption of refined carbohydrates, such as white bread, pasta, and white rice, and replace it with complex carbs such as oats and other whole grains. 4. Eat fiber-rich foods. Viscous fibers from foods such as vegetables, fruits, legumes, and oats have a positive effect on your weight loss goals. This type of fiber binds with water and forms a thick gel that slows down your digestion and absorption of nutrients. Because of this, you will experience a prolonged feeling of fullness and controlled appetite. In fact, an additional 14 grams of fiber daily can reduce your calorie intake by 10%, according to the 2001 study, Dietary Fiber and Weight Regulation. 5. Exercise regularly. Aside from keeping an eye on your diet, it is also important to exercise on a regular basis to burn the excess fat. Aerobic exercise, such as walking and swimming, are effective for significantly reducing belly fat. What's more is that exercise can reduce inflammation, regulate blood sugar levels, and other problems with your metabolism. 6. Track food intake and optimize your diet. Tracking your food intake doesn't necessarily mean you have to measure everything your whole life. However, keeping track of your food consumption several days in a row will help you realize how you need to make changes in your diet. Consider using online calorie calculators and other free apps to track what you're eating and fine-tune your diet. The different ways mentioned in this video are a combination of diet, lifestyle changes, and exercise. So, if you want to achieve a flat belly and prevent health problems, you should be ready to implement and tweak some of these life-changing routines. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.